I'm all left. I'm all the way left.
Damn, he got a sniper.
I stabbed 2 dudes in the back. The dudes that are camping are dead.
Come on.
Oh, and I killed 2 guys on the flag. Grab it. If his headset's off, that means that our audio is probably just coming through his TV. Yo, what up, Kenny? Fucking yo bitch at the grocery store.
Oh.
Fucking yo bitch at the grocery store. That's some dirty shit, man.
That's some dirty shit, dog. I'm telling you.
That's some dirty shit. Anybody got claymores and C4 we can put on our flag?
I got C4.
We need to leave 1 or 2. Yeah, all right. Put it down there. We need to leave 1 or 2 people back here. I'm gonna run it, guy. Oh shit, they coming.
Oh, come on, that's bullshit. He's in the middle, trying to come middle.
All right, cool. Thanks for the word. Oh shit, I left combat area. All right, I'm behind him.
This man's lagging. Oh
no. Hey guys, I'm behind them.
They're about to take the flag right now.
I got him.
But I'm going on our left, their right side with their flag.
Oh fuck! I got the flag guy
all the way
low.
on the right.
I got the flag guy super low, but he fucking got away from me.
Oh damn! Hey, here I come. Oh, he's gonna get me. Somebody, hey, Fender dance. Watch out.
Fender dance.
Yeah, we got you.
Oh, where's our flag at?
He's got it. We gotta kill that guy.
Fuck, I'm hiding in the very back.
Yeah, I had him real low. But he healed.
Alright, I'm camping.
Oh shit! Fucking cut the corner faster.
Alright guys, I'm in the back. Somebody needs to take our flag picture. Me and Fendor dance is back here. Fiend for dance. Here, you watch that side, I'll watch this side.
Oh, I was about to kill the dude with the flag and I got killed by somebody else. Why can't I hear the dude on the other team?
Oh, he got me, how? I lit his ass up. Damn, they got it. Alright, let's try that again. I'm going on our left. Wow, they're right. We need somebody to stay back and watch our shit. Alright, Fiend. Hey, he's coming on our right side. He's coming, he's close. 1 coming through the center. We got 2 people on our flag now. 3 of them, they're all pushing.
I'm watching.
Alright. They're all in that little center area right in front of our building.
Got one.
Got the other one.
Nice, good shit.
Oh hell, here they come. Oh damn. He's in that center. I got him. Somebody, we need to get that flag.
I'm going for the flag.
Alright, I'm coming around.
I'm gonna try to hold our flag. Oh, he got dude in the center.
I got it. I'm coming left.
Cool.
Alright, watch. Don't go through the center. Do not go through the center.
No, he's behind me.
I'm with you. Keep running. Oh, he got me.
Took the dude out from behind us.
There's another guy behind him.
I got it.
Oh, damn, dude.
Get in there.
I'm about to slide in. Woo.
Hell yeah. Good shit. Oh, he got me. He's in the center. They're on our flag.
They grabbed it. Oh, good recover.
Oh, there's another one on there. There's another one.
Oh, damn, they got us.
Oh, he's so fucking weak.
He's dead. I think. No, he's not. I lied.
Nah, he still got us.
Yeah, he is. You got some.
I got him fucked up. I returned it.
Hell yeah. Good shit. I'm on their flag, guys.
Take it.
I'm coming. They're right or left.
I'm covering our flag.
Oh, he's on me.
Watching you.
I got our flag covered. If you want to come around the corner.
Oh, he's on me.
I got the flag covered. I killed 2 people on the flag. The flag's clear.
Watch your back. See money, watch your back. He's over here. He's on us.
Killed a 3rd person on the flag. Flag's still clear.
Alright, I'm coming to the flag now. Cover me, cover me, cover me.
Go, you're good. Let's go. Good
Got
shit.
it. Oh shit.
Go for it again. I'm gonna go for it again because they're pushing hard.
Yep.
Oh, he's on our right.
I killed 2 people on the flag. 3 people.
Enemy flag taken. Let's move.
Good shit, good shit. On our flag now.
I got C4 on the flag.
I'm coming. He's on my ass, I'm coming.
We got the flag hold down right now.
Yeah.
Ah, hell yeah,
I was about
guys.
to hit
That's
that.
the way we do it.
Let's go. Good
Garbage
shit.
ass motherfucker.
Good shit.
Yeah. Nice job, fellas. Oh, look at that shit. He just running through him.
Good job, boys.
Joel just got hurt.
One more time. One more time.
Damn, I still got my kill streaks from last game, and I'm still. Let's get it.
Yup. Oh, they got a sniper in the center by the trains. I'm on their flag, but I guarantee I die.
I got our flag covered.
I'm gonna put a precision coming your way.
Oh damn, there's a guy on our flag.
I got him.
Damn.
Good shit, good shit.
I'm running our left with their flag.
Double kill over there.
Oh, he's on me, bro. Finger dance. Turn around. He's on me.
Come out. Keep going. Got him.
Oh, fuck. He's in behind us.
Got him.
He's right behind us.
Oh, they're coming.
Keep going.
Got it.
Yes,
Got
good
it.
shit. Good shit. That's how we do it. That's how we do it.
They're at the flag.
Yeah, they're on our flag, big time.
Got him.
So while they're over here, I'm gonna push their flag. Oh shit.
They're coming from below.
Ah,
I got him.
good shit, guys.
Good job.
Go for their flag.
I returned our flag, but they're there.
Alright,
That's
two
what they
of
gotta do, camping up on the roof in the back.
2 of them, be careful.
I see him. He's on our roof.
I got the guy low. Has the flag. Oh, he's in the house. He's fucked up.
Why did he go upstairs?
Damn! He's right behind me. Damn! He was right behind me. He got it. He got
Fuck, they got it.
it. It's alright. We gotta hold it down. We can't let him do it again. Fuck, here he got it again. I'm right behind him. He's running center, going towards their left, through the train side. How? I knocked the dude with the flag, but the dude's right there. They're running left
Double
center
kill.
now. They're running center. They got it. They got it. Fuck.
I'm pushing their flag all the way right.
Oh, there's one person on the flag.
Come on, bullshit.
We gotta hold down our flag.
There's a guy on their flag.
Yeah.
There's a
I'm
couple
gonna
on
go
their
defend our
flag.
flag now.
Damn. There's one camping back behind their shit. No, we gotta get it one more time, guys.
Motherfucker. I got you. Hold that for me.
The guy's camping. I got him fucked up, but I think he's gonna get me.
Yeah, he's dead.
Somebody get our flag back.
Flag has been returned.
Good job.
Got
Good
it.
shit.
Nice.
Oh, the guy camping in the back. It's kind of hard to get
Yeah,
him.
he's back there camping. There's 2 of them. Somebody needs to push right.
I'm right. I'm going right.
Alright, I'm going left. Get it. Oh, we're running out of time. We got a minute and a half. I'm all left. I'm all the way left.
Damn, he got a sniper.
I stabbed 2 dudes in the back. The dudes that are camping are dead.
Come on.
Oh, and I killed 2 guys on the flag. Grab it.
How? I
Come on now. I'm putting a beetle over there.
Word.
Alright.
I had the flag too. I'm
1
tight.
minute remaining.
Good copy. Strike inbound. Heavy damage sustained. Clear them out.
Ah, they're on me.
Becoming a bomb.
Take it. Come back. I got the
Keep going. Yes, sir.
I got our flag covered.
Here we go. Final one. Here it is, baby.
Good shit.
Yeah, eat it.
Hold this down for 16 seconds.
Now just cover our shit. Yeah, hover our flag. Everybody, hover our flag. Yeah. They're gonna be pushing with a vengeance. Ain't got enough time now. It's over for them.
There's a guy on there,
Yes,
but
sir.
it's over.
It's over. Yeah.
Damn, dog.
Yes,
And I had their ass, man. Whatever, fish,
Yo,
man. Whatever.
I'm gonna play some Warzone. I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
Alright.
Bro.
Alright, guys.
I be sober.
See that, Murph?
Yeah, that was fire.
Damn, dude. The Murph, man. What's up with them 28 and 27 kills?
We be
I'm gonna add you, bro.